Okay, so my name's Larry Becker, and I'm going to give you a quick intro on how to grease and check out this Caterpillar 259 track unit. Okay, you can check the grease on this one or two ways: with the arm up or the arm down. If you want to check it with the arm up, which makes the bucket plate hookup a little more accessible, you have to engage this safety arm to keep the arm from coming down on the person or the operator. Okay, I want to make sure that you guys know that the key to keeping this equipment adjusted and safe is to spend plenty of time with it, okay, and learn the machine. Okay, this machine has been ready to be greased. We've lifted the lift arm up and we put the safety bar in position. We have to do this, okay, and then the pin's right here with this little cotter pin to keep this from coming down on the operator or somebody checking out this machine. Okay.
How you doing? My name is Mike Story. I'm with Becker Landscape. I'm here to show you the grease zerks on this 259D Caterpillar. We're going to start up here with the attachment unit. We have a grease zerk behind here that's for the lock pins, and it's deep behind here. Then we have another grease zerk right here where this pivot point is on the front end. And then also we have another grease zerk on this side of this pivot point. And then on the boom arm, we have grease zerks located at each pivot point. You have one behind here, and then you have one right here, and then you have one up here, and one right here, and then you have two that's up under here, one over here, and one actually on the hose down here. And then on the undercarriage, we have a total of 3 grease zerks, and we have 1 and 2 right here, and then we have a third one that's in here.
Hi, I'm Steve Hastings. I'm here with Becker Landscape to discuss that 12th and final grease zerk on this side of the track unit. Okay, the last grease zerk is located right here on this steel plate here. This is basically, or the only zerk here is used for track alignment. Right now, one of the major things that causes tracks to be out of line is the amount of debris and winter use that gets stacked up and clogged in here. So it's imperative that we keep these tracks clean. So that last and 12th grease zerk is located right here, and this is only used to go ahead and to adjust the track. And you see where the adjustments have come out. Right here it looks like about a total of 1 inch, and there's about 1 inch of play in the track, so this is done properly.
Makeup.
Hi everybody, I'm Chad Miller. I'm with Becker Landscape, and I want to point out this visual sign to show you if you're out in the field and you forget about all these zerk spots, you could open up this cabinet and look and see where all the zerks are located.
Hello, my name is Steve Harding from Becker Landscape, and I'm here to show you some of the fill places and to check the fluids on the machine. First of all, this is where the air filter goes, and it pops out. There's the air filter. We make sure it's clean. I'll put that back on in a few minutes. Here's the oil fill. The oil check is at this point. This is the fuel filter. Up here at the top is the coolant, and this is where you view the coolant to see what's there. This is the diesel fuel fill, and it is green so that we don't mix up the fluids. If you see underneath here, here's the battery. We need to make sure that it's not corroded and all the cables look good. There's a belt back behind here, and this is the tensioner on that belt. The hydraulic fluid is over on this side. Here's the hydraulic fill, and back in, if you can see it up under here, there's a sight measure to see how much hydraulic fluid is in it. A couple more things on the fluid levels on this machine. I pointed this out, the diesel fuel, but it is always green. That will help us make sure that we don't cross any fluids over. And anytime before you start to check the oil or the coolant or anything, fill the diesel fuel. You want to wipe the area off. And also, before we ever check all these fluids, we need to make sure the machine's sitting level so we get true readings.
Okay, so always remember that the best place to service your skid steer is right here at the shop, where we have all the components and valves and filters and the fluids that you would need before you go to the job site, okay? Our goal is for you guys to be safe and have efficient equipment so you can get your jobs done better. Thank you.